Another beautiful day. Whoo, Lord. They got palm trees in the Midwest. This can't be the Midwest. Is that coconuts in that tree behind me? Yeah, we on vacation. Man, let me show y'all how we doing. Look behind me, look behind me. We got us a little place. Y'all see 2 floors, but there's 3. And like 12,000 square feet now, people. Give me a second, let me show you what I'm talking about. My brother-in-law's down there. What's happening, Papa? Oh, hey, you the oldest, don't mean you supposed to be pulling rank. All right, Beast Man, I'll let them know. Everybody on their own balcony so we can take pictures. Gotcha. Brother-in-law, man, get it together. Let me show y'all what. I gotta show y'all. How we doing it out here. So we go up one more floor, right? Let me just walk y'all around here real quick. They got this little common bathroom. They got another little living area right here, plus kitchen, laundry room. And y'all see how we do it. It's the top floor. We're gonna call this the penthouse. Yes, sir. Let me show you. Man, let me show you what's happening. Woo! Got us a little private balcony. Steve, I'm on my private balcony. It wasn't me. I just didn't hit all the latches, all the proper latches. This is our villa, man. It's called Villa Suite Villa. And we're gonna have a Villa Suite time in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Vacation time, people. So we're gonna have a good time. I'm probably gonna share some of the stuff we're doing, not a whole lot. I want to show the place. I showed you 2 floors. The bottom floor it mimics the other 2 that I showed you. So it's all the same basic rooms, except of course, you know, in the top floor we had to get the best room. So it's only right. It's only right. And just a fun fact in our family, and I'm here with my wife and her sisters and her husbands. My wife has a bunch of sisters. The husbands, of course, we like, that's my brothers. You know, although we're the eyeballs into this family, we are jam tight. I love these cats, man, like my real blood. You can't tell me they ain't. There's nothing I won't do for them, there's anything they won't do for me. You gotta love it. That's family. So we got all these sisters and their husbands here. And then I was going someplace with this conversation. We got pool tables on each floor. And we're about to have a really, really good time. So we have a nice opportunity to vacation. Usually when we do our little small getaway, we go all gather at one house. Now we actually went somewhere and gathered at a house. So people, it's gonna be a great time. So let me go see if I can find somebody. I'm gonna jump off this thing for a minute and I'll get back on in a minute. Yeah.
Next day.
Video day 2 at the mansion. Man, I was tired. Oh my God, I was so tired yesterday. We had, as you see, one of the previous videos was a fishing trip. Didn't get a lot of sleep that night, and it was literally like 2 days before traveling and preparing and getting everything together. Before this trip was just a whole day, getting things done, knocking out some stuff around the house and so on and so forth. But man, when we got here, because we left like 2 o'clock in the morning, and then after airport to airport, sleeping on a plane really isn't good sleep. It's just a way to pass the time, and then finally getting here, everybody having a good time, libations, the whole nine. Good food, ridiculous food. Oh my God, food's so good. I have to show you guys the setup, how they set us up and everything. And I was just tired. We started playing some pool downstairs and on the second floor. And man, I just didn't have it. I was finally get a chance, I'll sit down and doze off, man. I don't know what time I went to bed. It was much earlier than what everybody else was, but I was tired, and that's good. Today, not exactly sure all the plans for the day. Right now it's kind of early, so I wanted to get me a quick little workout in, but I'm probably just gonna do some calisthenics and then get ready for breakfast. Breakfast at 9 o'clock. Everybody's up and moving about right now. You can see my great niece and her aunt, my sister, on the pool getting swimming lessons. My brother-in-law and sister-in-law is down on the second floor, just going at it. Everybody's up and moving about and doing their thing. Yeah, my wife's in there working out. People just
start midday, so I think that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna put this camera down, man. I'll probably get back on with me at a different time and chat it up with you guys, kind of let you guys know what's going on. I don't know if I'm gonna be picking up doing too much filming or recording of all the stuff that we're doing, because I have a tendency to sit them down while I'm here and don't want a phone on my hand, in my hand, or around me. You know, just vacation. Yeah, so yeah, man. Thank you guys for checking out the video for the most part. If y'all make it all the way through, keep watching, man. I'm sure this will be something interesting, so don't skip through. I'm gonna watch it all the way through. And I don't know if I shared with you guys, man. Some business on the last video. I think I missed it on the last portion, in the beginning. You got some business to take care of, so I need y'all to like this video if y'all like vacations on islands. Hit that like button. Don't get that out of the way. If y'all like mansions, big mansions, 12,000 square foot or bigger, go and hit that like button, man. And that subscribe button, man. Don't get that out of the way. If y'all like mansions with pools, I need y'all to go and smash that like button, subscribe button. I need y'all to share this video with 3 people. Now, if y'all like vacations and having a good time and getting out and enjoying the sun, with beautiful weather, incredible food, I need y'all to give me 3 100s in that comment. 3 100s, man. Gonna knock that out real quick. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. All right, man. Look, let me close this out so we can go and we're gonna just pause this for a moment before we can go get ourselves together. Yeah. That's how we eat and set up. So happy in there looking at ourselves. Hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, stay right here. What up, bro? Ping pong. Stop it up on the pool table. So you asked the barkeeper to give you some of what you about to eat?
Yeah. Barkeep, give me what you got up here at the bar.
Okay, man, I give you wine.
You don't seem to be from the Highland. Where are you?
I'm from the lowland. Where the water ain't even on the ground no more. It's no way. Trying to come get me right now.
That's the big brother. Sweet, man. Practice.
Well, these are rich, but I'm like, I didn't even notice we got sauce up here.
Oh, Steve checked that sauce out yesterday. Bro, listen.
Look, we need something before.
Right now.
Before. You might not make it to the
Bro, it's not me. It's all been like calling for a Cool J song.
What up, bro?
What's up, my brother? It's top of the morning, bro. It ain't top, but it's morning.
It's top, baby. It's top. Yeah.
I was up for a second, but I didn't get up.
I was up at 6
I
too.
opened my eyes, I'm like, what the fuck am I open my eyes? What the
I got up. I was up at 6.
I opened my eyes, I was like, stay right here.
I gotta like pick up all my clothes.
Where you been up?
I keep the lead like that till I leave.
I'm mean, and you.
What up, sis?
Yes, indeed. Jamaica, man. She doing too much.
That weight she loves.
That's what she doing? She look good. You look good. You going to bed. He said I gotta turn it around. That's how you save yourself. I have to get some coffee. Man, this is how I have it right here. Whatever takes you long to get to the coffee.